Welcome to our video on self-healing meditation techniques. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel stressed, anxious and overwhelmed. But did you know that you have the power to heal yourself from within? In this video, we will be discussing the benefits of self-healing meditation and how you can adopt it into your daily routine. Self-healing meditation involves the use of meditation techniques to support a person's physical, mental and emotional health. It is a holistic approach to achieving balance and well-being. With regular practice, self-healing meditation can help to reduce stress and anxiety, improve mood, and enhance overall health. When it comes to adopting self-healing meditation, it is important to be consistent. Regular practice is necessary to experience lasting benefits. Additionally, it is important to find a comfortable and quiet space to practice meditation, as this will help to deepen the experience. It is also important to use a variety of meditation techniques. Combining different techniques can help to create a holistic approach to self-healing. For example, one could practice relaxation techniques such as progressive muscle relaxation or yoga, as well as mindfulness practices such as concentration and loving-kindness meditation. The key to self-healing meditation is understanding how to use meditation to find balance and inner peace. This is done by combining relaxation exercises with mindfulness meditation. Relaxation exercises help to reduce stress and tension in the body, while mindfulness meditation helps to cultivate awareness and acceptance of one's internal and external experiences. Another great thing about self-healing meditation is you will obtain much better chakra energies in your system that could also enhance your wellness. Set a timer so that you don't need to interrupt your meditation to verify your watch. As previously mentioned, meditation is often viewed as a means to relax, and it is. Learning meditation wants the assistance of an evolved teacher. There are several types of meditation to choose from and lots of approaches to understanding how to do them. Again, different methods of meditations need various methods of breathing. It has now become recognized as a powerful tool for stress management that you can easily integrate into your daily life. The healing meditation should be performed through visualization. You may use any very good breathing methods, in case you already know. There are lots of techniques you may utilize. It is possible to also utilize mindfulness methods to cultivate qualities like kindness or overcome any range of issues or difficulties in your life. There are many sorts of techniques. Meditation techniques help you truly feel well in your skin. Remember, self-healing meditation technique isn't something you ought to exceed it's something which you want to assist you in connecting your head and soul. There aren't any particular self-healing meditation methods. If you don't adhere to the essentials of meditation, it is going to remain forever simply a type of exercise and relaxation. You may change any part of your health through changing up your belief about it. Thus, the mental attitude toward healing is vital. If you feel like your consciousness is shifting, or you're slipping into a dreamlike state, allow it to occur. When meditating, you focus your consciousness of a single element, for example, your breath. Don't worry in the event the mind occasionally succeeds in drawing your attention from the human body and you lose yourself in some idea. Controlling your mind through pranayama will allow you to remove the impurities from your body. There are lots of ways to meditate. There are lots of ways to self-heal. So naturally, among the best methods to boost our self-healing is to increase oxygen flow. There's constant communication between your body and mind. The body and mind system is intended to heal itself, and there are several self-healing techniques accessible to aid in the repair of the self. To stimulate healing, it will help to believe you're worthy of being healed. Take your focus to the area of the human body or the status of the human body which demands to heal. Overall healing requires restoring harmony to all our bodies. Theta healing is only a label. If this is the case, you might have imbalanced and depleted chakras. Each chakra defines part of your entire body. There are several sorts of meditation. It is a good antidote to stress. Furthermore, the self-healing meditation can help you construct the belief your health is getting better daily. Since you may see, the meditation isn't that difficult. Meditation is the secret to getting your head and body take care of themselves. It is one of the effective ways to improve the process of self-healing. As you become more familiarized with meditation, select the techniques that best fit your temperament and natural inclinations. Meditation enables your accessibility to levels of mind and thought you didn't know even existed. It is an important part of natural healing and health. It is an easy and fast way to promote self-healing. Finally, it is important to be patient when it comes to self-healing meditation. It can take time to experience the benefits, and it is important to have realistic expectations. With regular practice, however, self-healing meditation can help to create a deep sense of inner peace and well-being. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos on self-healing meditation techniques.